Do you need to remove one of these? You're in the parking lot, you don't know how to do it? I'm going to teach you step by step. So I have removed that one already. Now let's work on this one. So basically, when you have these type of huge lights, I have removed them all over there. So basically, you have these bolts here, 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 and there, and then you have a loop of cable inside. So basically, what you have to do is just cut the loop, and that's it. So now I'm going to untight these screws, but you have an impact driver, but you are going to break the adapter for the socket set. So what I use is this big wrench, um, and that's it. So that is what you have to do in order to start the process. Now let's start with this. There you go. All right. Let's see how it goes. It seems that it's going to fall, but it will not. One left. Okay, that's it. So now we have to pull it up, and that's it. Also, another thing I'm going to use is this to cut the cable. Is easier than screwing the core nuts. All right, done. Now I have to go down and wait for someone to help me to take it out of the basket. We should be good. Wow. I need to do more exercise. All right. Thank you, sir. No, I have to work. I work one at a time. All right, that's it for now. So now I have to repeat the process again. If you don't know how to use a boom lift like this, I have another video in my YouTube channel how to use it. See you next class.